Today we will be making chalk paint. You will need a cupcake tin, a measuring cup, cornstarch, food coloring, a paintbrush, and water. First, you will take your cupcake tin. You are going to use equal parts cornstarch and equal parts water. I used 1/4 cup measurement and I added 1/4 cup of water to each cupcake container. Once I filled the entire cupcake tin with water, I added equal parts cornstarch, which is 1/4 cup of cornstarch. After adding cornstarch to each of the cupcake containers, I added food coloring. I added about 7 drops to each cupcake container. If you want to use 2 different colors of food dye to mix a color, this is a great option to get color variety. Once you're done adding your food coloring, you can start mixing. Your colors will look more vibrant after you paint them on the sidewalk and they dry. Think about who will see your message. Can you write a message to somebody that you love? Can you write a message saying thank you to the people who keep us safe and healthy? Maybe you can brighten somebody's day.